Since ancient times, plants have played a vital role in witchcraft, rituals, and mystical practices. Some are revered for their healing properties, while others are feared for their connection to the supernatural. But how much of this is real and how much is myth? Let's uncover the truth behind the most powerful plants used in witchcraft. The power of witchcraft plants. Witches and herbalists have long turned to nature to harness its power. From love spells to protection rituals, certain plants hold special significance. But what makes them so magical? Is it their chemical properties or something beyond science? Top 5 plants used in witchcraft. 1. Mandrake root, the screaming plant. Famous for its eerie legend, the mandrake root was believed to scream when uprooted, killing those who heard it. Used in potions and charms, this plant was both feared and revered in medieval magic. 2. Belladonna, the deadly nightshade. Also known as deadly nightshade, belladonna was used in flying ointments by witches. But beware, this plant is highly toxic, proving that nature's magic can be both powerful and dangerous. 3. Mugwort, the dream herb. Mugwort has been used for centuries in divination and dream magic. Many believe burning it before sleep enhances lucid dreams and psychic visions. 4. Wolfsbane, a plant of protection. In folklore, wolfsbane was used to ward off werewolves and malevolent spirits. Its real-life toxicity made it a deadly yet protective tool in ancient rituals. 5. Sage the purifier. One of the most commonly used herbs in modern witchcraft, sage is burned to cleanse negative energy. But did you know different types of sage have different magical properties? Science versus myth. Do these plants really work? While some of these plants have real medicinal benefits, others thrive in the realm of legend. Science has uncovered the chemical compounds that make them powerful, but their mystical reputation still endures. Witchcraft tools you can use. Want to explore the magic of these plants yourself? Whether for meditation, energy cleansing, or curiosity, this is a great way to start. Check out the link in the description to get yours. Closing thoughts. Whether you believe in their magic or just appreciate their history, these plants remain a fascinating part of our world. Do you think plants hold mystical power, or is it all just folklore? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more mystical stories. Discover the power of mystical herbs. Get your Witchcraft Herb Kit book in the description.